KimTownSel here. Do you know what this is? It's supposed to be pillows. I'm assuming that when I open this package up, the pillows are going to pop out and expand. Let's see. This is a twin pack of pillows. It says your dream journey begins here. It's supposed to be ultra soft, breathable, antibacterial, hypoallergenic. I have the queen size. It comes in standard and king. And just don't let kids play with a plastic bag. All right, here we go. They're pretty. Easier way. Alright, well, another bag to get through. So that's what it looks like with the first out of the big bag. With the cover off, it still has a bag in here. I bet when I open this one, it's going to expand, right? Be careful not to cut the pillow. Oh, I don't know of a good trick on this. Oh, right here. I'm going to cut it. I'm going to cut it down here. And there she goes. And on camera. And now it's fluffing up with air. That is so pretty. I really don't like big fat pillows. I think I'm really going to like that. It's quite soft. Careful not to cut the pillow. And it has a seal right here, so I'm going to cut close to that. Oh, and there she goes, plumping up. Aren't those pretty? The real test is, how well do they sleep? I'll sleep on them a couple of nights and report back. I'm going to spray them down with some Lysol fabric disinfectant first. This is 100% polyester, made for pure down. They also have down pillows if you prefer those. Made in China. The laundry care, machine wash cold separately, gentle cycle. Do not bleach. Do not iron. Tumble dry low until thoroughly dry. I'm going to put mine on the dryer for about 10 minutes on low, just to additional disinfectant. Here's the paper that was inside the pillows. It's a fiber pillow. Your dream journey begins here. Oh, and it tells you how to open them up. I didn't see this before. Use scissors to cut the package seal. Pull out the pillows squeeze it and tap it. Let it lie flat for 24 hours. Rush into the sweet dream with it. Ultra soft, breathable, antibacterial, hypoallergenic. And they suggest that you tumble dry the pillow with a tennis ball that can help the pillow to stay fluffy, to prevent the fiber from aging too quickly. Please do not expose the inner core directly to sunlight. I slept on the pillows for the first time last night. The light blue pillows are my old pillows, and I didn't really have matching pillowcases for the queen size, and these are some that my son used, so I apologize for about the stains. But these pillows were amazing. These, you can tell the difference between these pillows and just like the cheaper versions. These pillows have like a really nice edging, while cheaper pillows are just kind of like folded over, something like that. So quite elegant. They slept great. Like I said, I'm pretty picky about my pillows. These were soft. They just cradled my head. Very nice. Thanks for watching my videos about the pillows. It's free to give the video a thumbs up. It's free to share this video if appropriate. It's free to leave a comment below, positive or negative. If you have time before you go, watch another video. And in the meantime, until we meet again, let's just help each other find ways to get better sleep, because sleep is so important. Thanks so much. Bye. Watch.